Welcome ladies and gentlemen to this special video. Today we will explore the homemade timber transport trucks crafted from recycled materials by the Vietnamese people. Vehicles that are not only powerful but also symbolize creativity and resilience in rural life. On the rugged mountain roads of Vietnam, transporting timber is no easy task. However, resourceful farmers have found a solution by constructing agricultural trucks from recycled materials. The chassis of these trucks is often sourced from old Japanese or Russian vehicles. Used trucks that still have much potential to handle the demanding work. Additionally, the gearboxes and mechanical parts are primarily imported from Japanese and Korean manufacturers, with Hyundai from Korea being the most favored due to its durability and high performance. Using recycled parts not only reduces construction costs, but also contributes to environmental protection by decreasing waste. These agricultural trucks are designed to be flexible and customized according to the specific needs of the users. Whether it's transporting timber, agricultural machinery, or other types of goods, the diverse designs allow these trucks to adapt well to various terrains, from small gravel roads to steep and treacherous mountain paths. However, it is undeniable that using these homemade trucks on mountainous roads poses significant dangers. The rough, winding, and steep roads, combined with heavy loads, make driving these vehicles extremely challenging and hazardous. Accidents are not uncommon, causing concern among locals and authorities alike. Regular maintenance and inspection of the truck's components are crucial, but sometimes economic constraints make this difficult to ensure. This not only threatens the lives of the drivers, but also affects the livelihoods of their families. Even though we are well aware of the dangers on the mountain roads, we have no other choice but to use these trucks. They help us transport timber quickly, ensuring our family's income. Every day, we thoroughly check the trucks before hitting the road, Mr. Bin shares. Despite numerous challenges, farmers continue to innovate and improve their agricultural trucks to make them safer. They intelligently use recycled materials, optimizing the truck's structure to enhance its performance on difficult terrains. This perseverance and spirit of overcoming obstacles have resulted in trucks that are not only durable but also reliable under all operating conditions. These homemade agricultural trucks not only help farmers transport timber efficiently, but also demonstrate the creativity and adaptability of the Vietnamese people. The intelligent use of recycled materials, combined with the technical skills of the craftsmen, has created strong, flexible trucks tailored to their needs. This is a clear testament to the Vietnamese spirit of self-reliance and creative problem-solving in addressing practical issues. Homemade agricultural trucks are living proof of the creativity and resilience of Vietnamese farmers. Despite facing numerous difficulties and dangers, they continuously strive to build strong, durable trucks that meet their needs. These vehicles are not just means of transportation, but also symbols of national pride. embodying the unwavering spirit and endless creativity of the Vietnamese people. If you found this video useful and inspiring, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and leave a comment, so we can continue to bring you more interesting and meaningful content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.